Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm having a unboxing of the 1976 Chevy Caprice. It says it's a 3-in-1, 125 scale MPC kit. Very cool. I didn't even realize that till just this moment. I bought this kit at Model Car Show that I went to in November, and it's the day that I'm making this video. I picked it up for $12. I opened it briefly at the show just to make sure the body was in there, and I'm doing the unboxing right now. It's the same day that I purchased it, but you probably won't see this video till December sometime. But I was very excited to get all these, so I picked up a bunch of kits that day, and today, and I'm just excited, and I had to get into them and start making some videos for you guys. There's a shot of all the decals that are supposedly in here. I don't know if they're in there yet. Here's the bottom of the box. Whoops, MPC kit. This kit came out. It's kit number MPC 963M12, and I don't have a date on the release on it yet. Oh, there it is right there, right on the bottom. February 22nd, 2023. I was in the hospital that day. Alright, that's another story for another time. Let's see, here are... Oh wait, no, that's February. I was in the hospital in January, sorry. Never mind, that's not important. Here are some features and characteristics. Comes with a trailer, apparently. That's really cool. V8 motor. Possible flashers and that to make a police car. That's cool. Pad printed white wall tires. Very cool. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and get right into this one. Oh yeah, this one was partially built, all in white. I have to take it apart a little bit, but that's okay. Let me go ahead and empty the box right out. Looks like it comes... Oh, here's the trailer. That's very cool. Let's see. Trailer's partially done. That's alright. Yeah, almost like it was set up as a display model. Here's a little red light there. Something here. Here's a little rogue hair from something. Okay. And let's see. This is pretty heavy. Wow. There's a axle that goes through one end and through the other. There's no rear end. That's interesting. I'll have to look in the instructions. I wonder if it was even included, or if this is another one of them curbside kits. I don't know. Let's see if we can get this body apart without breaking things. Alright, the grill and the bumper apparently aren't glued in. That's a good thing. Let's see. Wow. Well, it feels like they glued the body and the interior together. Oh yeah. Yeah, they glued it in there, folks. I'll have to spend some time getting real into figuring out how to get it apart so I can paint it and all that good stuff. Although, yeah, there's I don't know if you can see it. Right here are the pins that go into the body, and someone has glued them together, so I'll just have to cut those apart and drill them out and that when the time comes. Not a biggie. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but that's okay, you know. Well, it's got the fender skirts already built into it. That's different. Alright. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. I'm glad to see it's a 2-door, not a 4-door. Barely fits on the trailer. We'll have to put shorter cars on there, I guess. Or some farm equipment or something, I don't know. Alright, so also we have the hood. By the way, the engine looks like a big black Chevy. The hood is nice. Let's see how fitment is on that. Fitment is decent. Here is, I guess, one of the ramps. Oh, cool. There's 2 ramps. We have 2 ramps for the trailer. They just hook in there. That's awesome. Love that. No tires except for the 2 that are on the car already. So I'll have to go in the old parts bin for that. I think I remember realizing that at the show when I was buying it. It was like, okay, I got plenty of wheels I can put on there. But all these little details here I didn't know about. This, I think, will go... Yeah, I think this goes here on the bottom. Yeah, that's what that is. That's the trailer hitch that attaches to the bottom of the car, and then it hooks onto the trailer. Yep, perfect. That's very cool. Oh, here's the axle and the exhaust, so that's included. Very nice. Here's a random rubber band. It says produce on it, so I don't know what that's all about. We'll go ahead and put that in a file over there. Alrighty. And I have what appears to be what do you call them? Stock. There we go. Stock hubcaps and 2 custom wheels that might go for the trailer. I don't know what was included in the kit before originally. Here is the brake booster for the brakes. Here is some kind of, I don't know what that is, some kind of step thing or something. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's part of the trailer. Some lights to do, not lights, mirrors. They have trailer mirrors, the extended kind that they used to have, like they'd put them on the fenders right up front. Back in the day when people didn't know how to pull a trailer properly. Here's one of the bubblegum tops for the flasher to make a police vehicle. And here's maybe a piece of a mirror. I'm not sure what that is. They don't show mirrors on the box. Here's a chrome something. And an antenna. A little radio. License plate. Couple of like frame supports. The radiator support. Little braces, there's the word I was looking for, and a coolant line, coolant hose. Let's see, here's the, alright, I got the what do you call these, the decals. Getting late in the night, guys, I'm getting goofy here. Here's the decal sheet, very neat. It's got California, Michigan, and Oklahoma. That's a different one. Be a neat Oklahoma police car, that would be cool. So just dial 555 help. Some nice little stickers here. Dashboard stuff, very cool. Alright, I like that. I forgot already what I was going to look up. Let's see, here's wheels and tires. Yep, the trailer gets the fancy wheels, the car gets the stock wheels. Engine, General Motors trademark, blah blah blah. 2022 for round 2. Put your engine together. Your interior location is optional for your police radio or your CB, whatever you want to call it. Throw that stuff together. The hood, clear glass, front bumpers, trailer hitch, lights, rear lights. Rear tail lights are in there, thankfully. Here's the big old extended mirrors. They want you to put them on the doors on this car, but we used to see them. I used to see them up on the front fenders back in the day. Here's a clear red lens to make a police car. Antenna. Optional. It says clear red, so there must have been like another fender. This thing here is another fender light. And here's the other piece here for it. It goes on there somehow. I think it goes like, I don't know which way it goes on there, but it goes on to be like a side light. And then put your trailer together. And that chrome thing, that last thing was the cover for the ball on the hitch. Put that all together, put a license plate on it, and hook it up, and you're good to go. Well, that's pretty cool. A little more involved in as far as the build on this one because I'll have to focus a lot on separating it so I can get it painted up real nice. Or I could just say the heck with it and slap it together, but I don't want to do that. I want to do it nice. And big old boats. I really like these old boats. There you have it, folks, as I always say. Well, thank you all so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and share this video with your friends. And try and get some young people into this hobby because we're losing people, and I don't know how much longer this hobby has. So I'll leave you with them words of wisdom, and as always, we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.